Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about Bling. Now Bling is due to be released on Saturday the 25th of August at 10 AM Eastern, and it comes from Team Black Belt. Now if you're not sure who Team Black Belt are, there are Pablo Gusal, Art Flair and Ram Rawat, and they team together and they release these products on a regular basis. So every single month there'll be a very similar product to this one being released. So basically guys, this is an Instagram product that allows you to manage Instagram accounts for yourself or others, and in theory make money with them. So guys, I'm going to go through the members area. I'll show you around. Now if you've seen any of my reviews before, this interface is the same as multiple different releases recently. All they're doing is changing some of these options, but essentially it's the same thing being released over and over again. But I got some good points about this. I can see some uses for it for some folks, so I want to give you a good overview of this to see if this is something that you may be interested in. So guys, my reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one, and the aim of the reviews is to give you just a little bit more information before you go ahead and decide to buy any kind of products like this online. So just before we start guys, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're really serious and you want to learn how to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. So guys, let's look at this. This is obviously very much aimed at newbies. Our brand new app uses AI to hack Instagram for free traffic to any link in just 60 seconds. It's UV friendly. I presume they're going to change that word there. No tech skills, activate free traffic within seconds and send traffic anywhere. So guys, before we jump into the software, I want to talk to you about Instagram itself. So Instagram is obviously a very, very big platform for folks to actually go ahead and post many different types of images, and you can use videos as well in the Instagram Reels that they've just released, and it's a very, very good way to get traffic if you have a following on Instagram. So you can see here that I have 1,800 followers on Instagram, and basically what you do on Instagram to get people to actually come over and go to a certain link is you use the actual link that you can put in your bio here. So even if you put one of these images on here, let's have a look at this one, there is no way that you actually link back to a website or any kind of link that you've got or offer from this actual link here. What you need to do is put your link in this bio here, and this is the way that people go ahead and find your products and services. So if I clicked on that, I got something called LinkedIn Bio, and basically people can go over to various locations here and visit my YouTube there. So that's the way that this actually works. So many people use a service like LinkedIn Bio to allow them to put multiple links on one page like this. So I have used Instagram in the past. It's something I don't use all of the time, but basically it is a good way as long as you can get a decent following base. So when they talk about on the sales page that you have 1 billion active users and you can reach all of those active users, it's not true with social media. You know yourself that the amount of people that you actually reach depend on the amount of people you've got on your particular page. Now the other thing you can do to make these posts a little bit more viral is you can put hashtags under the post. So also that's another way that Instagram can kind of advertise your posts to other people. So just bear in mind when we're ever talking about Instagram that it is very much dependent on the amount of followers you've got, and that you have this kind of double action here where you have to post things and then get people to come over to your bio if they're interested. And that's the piece where you don't get that much people actually clicking on your bio. So let's jump back and have a look at Bling itself. Now basically Bling is, again, Billy Dar has released his software multiple times, but Bling is a way that you can manage your Instagram account from this particular dashboard. So you have your ability to import an account here. They've got their own account here. If I go ahead and look at the Team Black Belt test account here, clearly they've not used this that much. They've used this just to put this on. This is the one they use on their demos, this post here. Basically, they don't really use this software themselves. They're saying they do, but they'd be able to show you an account on here that actually had a good, decent amount of followers, but they haven't. It's not exactly the fact that these things go viral as soon as you put them on this particular network. But that's fine. So You can use this if you are into Instagram to actually use it to post on your own account. So if I wanted to post on something, I could create a new post from here, and basically I can start building my post using this here. So I can go ahead and upload an image, or I can go and get an image URL. It will start building my post on here. Then I can put a campaign name in here, and then I can put a caption in here, and I can post it to certain accounts. I'm not actually going to do this on here because it's not my account, but the idea is this is what you can use to post, which is fine, right? You can post from this software instead of going into Instagram to do it. But by the way, guys, you can go onto something like Canva and you can do it from here, and they'll have a lot more options for you to actually pick from to post. And you can also post this directly onto your Instagram account from Canva completely for free. So you don't really need that first tool as far as posting is concerned. The only thing you can do on this, which is okay, I don't really see a big problem with this, is you can schedule posts from this particular software. So if you wanted to actually use Instagram all of the time and you have multiple posts that you wanted to schedule, this could be a good thing for you. I'm not really got any big issues with this particular software. They also have some other functionality on here that allows you to reply to certain comments. So I've got a template here I can build up, and I can have certain replies based on what people will actually go ahead and type into the comments. Now this reply and this comment template will allow me to build up some kind of automation to be able to reply to people automatically. For most of us, we would do the human thing and actually reply ourselves and engage with the people that we follow with on social media, but for some reason the vendors with these products now deem that having automation replies is the way to go rather than actually talking to people like a human, which I would say is the better way to sell to them. You can also create a campaign here, which again, you can go ahead and create your post campaigns, and you can use this interface to actually do it. You can have auto comments on here, auto replies, and then you can have your campaign reports on here where you have various reports. There is nothing on here because obviously they're not using this software and they're not really using this product at all. Now you have hashtag functionality here, which I thought was okay. So if I put affiliate marketing in here, it does give me a good way of actually finding hashtags. I'm just going to search for this now, see what happens. And you can see that doesn't work. So that's a bit disappointing. I thought that was going to give me a list of hashtags. So let's change that, make money. Remember, this is the version they should give to people to show that it works. And that's not working either. So in theory, they're going to be able to get hashtags here so that you have a full list of hashtags that you can add to your posts. And again, that's one way of making your post a little bit more viral from your profile. And this is the training area. So there's lots of various other things you can access here. But if you go into the Access Instagram training, now this case study isn't really relevant to this particular product. All they're doing is showing you other people's Instagram accounts that are big. Well, I could do that now. It doesn't mean I've got a case study showing how Bling actually works. So they're not none of them have actually used Bling to build their profiles. All they've done is done it organically themselves. And even the numbers that they're given on some of their profiles as far as followers are concerned are very low. I've got 1,800 followers on Instagram and I barely use it. So you need thousands of followers to get any kind of real money off a platform like Instagram. So if I go over to Fiverr, what they're saying in the demo, the way you can make money with this is you can actually go ahead and be a social media manager using Instagram. If I just put Instagram in here now, you see there's lots and lots of different postings on here. So I'm going to actually go by best selling, and I'm going to show you that there is people on here definitely making money using Instagram. There's 5-star reviews here, 1,000, 4.9 here, 1,000 plus. All these folks are making money by giving people certain Instagram services. Now, theoretically, you could use this software for that. It is very simple software. It's $17, but it is something that you could potentially use to manage other people's Instagram accounts. The issue I see with Fiverr, without wanting to sound negative, is you have got one hell of a lot of people on here that are already doing this. So the competition is very high. Now, if you notice, all of these guys are 5-star ratings with 945, 162. So what people never really mention when they talk about things like Fiverr, using Fiverr to start a business, especially when you're doing something like Instagram, is the amount of competition. You will start on here with absolutely no reviews and obviously no orders, and it's going to take a while to build up. You can see if I come on here now and I want to find an Instagram manager, the first thing I do is go to best selling, and I'm going to pick one of these guys that I know have had a lot of different orders and know what they're doing. So it isn't as easy as just coming onto Fiverr, putting a gig in place and starting. Okay, guys, just make sure if you want to go down this route that you understand it's going to take time to get your first order and time to build up a little business on Instagram. But having said that, it is possible to do if you're willing to spend the time and obviously try and advertise the fact that you have a gig on Instagram. So just jumping back to the training, this actual first section is all about building your audience, how to get traffic, all of the usual stuff. Now, it is incredibly low quality. I don't think this training has come from this particular product. This looks like it was done a while ago and the sound is horrendous. But what they have also is a Make Money Online niche training where Pablo takes you through how he's actually making money. And he talks to you about how he's using the link I showed you at the beginning to drive traffic over to various offers. There is some training here that will allow you to actually build some kind of Instagram profile. But the problem is that most of the training that shows you how to use the actual product itself is in the demo, which I can't actually see here. So I'm not quite sure where you're going to see that demo. But that's the idea, guys. You have some training here that you can go ahead and follow. Now, really, that's what this product is all about. Now, because this has been released multiple times before, I'm getting used to this type of software. It's very low quality. It's $17. But if you're somebody who wants to use Instagram to try and build a business, which isn't going to be easy because it's a social media network and it takes a long time to build a following up, this could be something that is of use to you, even though it is a little bit of cheap and cheerful software. Obviously, as usual, where this gets marked down quite considerably in my eyes is all of this rubbish about having our brand new app uses AI. This isn't AI technology. Canva posts directly to Instagram. There's multiple other applications out there that will allow you to reply. They're a lot better quality than this to Instagram comments and posts. So this isn't an AI technology. This is just the usual API that's been connected to this software. So all of this free buyer traffic is really depending on the amount of people you've got on the platform and the amount of influence you have, because at the end of the day, you're trying to get people to go through one link on your particular profile. Now, all of this financial proof, as you know, is just images. I never really bothered about the financial proof. One thing that lets me down on a constant basis is when you come down to these testimonials, which, by the way, are other marketers, all of which are going to be promoting this, so you wouldn't take any of their testimonials seriously, is basically when you look at their previous product, which is onyx.com, and you look here, Venkata Ramana, this software is super exciting. I've seen a lot of different apps. And then I come back to Bling itself. I'm super excited about this software. I've seen a lot of different apps on the market. Jamie Lewis said it there. And Venkata Ramana said it there. So basically, guys, they're too lazy just to be able to change their fake testimonials. All they do is use them time and time again. And that's why I mark these products down considerably when I see them. I see them for what they are. They are very, very cheap pieces of software. There is a use there for certain folks if you wanted to build some kind of following on Instagram. I don't agree with automatically replying to people on Instagram. I think you should be a human and actually reply to them in person and have conversations and build up some form of relationship with people, just like I do on my YouTube channel. I don't go ahead and use an automated reply when people start posting comments on my YouTube channel. I don't think there's any room for it. So that's my opinion of this, guys. I'm going to say this is a 4 out of 10, basically because of this nonsense on the sales page. It doesn't really connect you to what the product actually does. Now, I'll give you the OTOs just for your interest. I wouldn't recommend buying this, but I will give you the OTOs just so you're aware of the additional cost if you go down this route. So you got Bling, which is $17 on the front end. You got the cloud app, you got the Instagram training and the case studies, which aren't really case studies. Case studies to me are actual proof that Bling works. You got Bling Unlimited, is apparently, which is $39. That's the unlimited edition of Bling. Not much information there. Bling Done For You CPA campaigns, OTO2, which that's $47. You got Bling Done For You traffic setup, which is $197. Bling Chatbot, which is $97. All they're doing is they're going to turn on another bit of functionality there. Bling InstaDrive, which is $197, Bling six-figure training, which is $47, and the Agencer Reseller Edition, which is $297. And you could be in for nearly $600, $700 worth of OTOs there if you had decided to buy all of them. So guys, be wary. Just remember that these kind of claims are absolute nonsense. There is a room for Instagram marketing. You could use this to actually post on there, but to me, you can just go ahead and use somewhere like Canva completely for free and build up your Instagram following without having to spend any money. So guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're really serious and you want to learn how to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free. Until next time guys, take care.